Him can't sit down and have him head back out there and people can walk in and turn up and look on himself for 5 minutes and all. Now him realize someone there on foot. You overs me a deal with. So him have to do him thing, but him have to do him thing discreetly.
Real talk. To each his own.
Yeah man, but I sat them up man. Yeah. I mean I agree say I'm gonna have a studio.
That sounds good, man. See that. So hit me a call. How you gonna do? Up foot. On a man.
That's that.
I'll give you numbers. That's right, see you.
It's a joy for me here, you know.
Yeah man, for real king. I'm here say man get both in a finger and drop out.
It's a big toe feet.
Real talk, you know, it make a car right now. Could have worse, you know. That the people simple thing that.
So you have to otherwise.
You know, say it's a reason why I'm circle the island today. Yo, forward. Hear me now? It's a peace initiative, this. You would have something to say to me now.
What you could have to say to you?
So yes, sir.
We're really sorry for the outcome of and everything. Sorry for shut down. I kill you, could I kill your uncle? Come, if you come, give.
Just make him finish, sir, myself. But over how you feel about just make him talk.
You come for that. I apologize for the mishaps and miscommunication and everything I got on. Sorry for shut up my uncle same way. So I just that man said nothing more and nothing less.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You look like you're sorry. Ones and ones. Him kind of overs a mistake and him come to just apologize. And me personally apologize to the man because I know say it could have serious. Right now him could have under the ground. But I'm my only nephew, you know. I'm gonna try put him on the straight and narrow. So just have to ask the item. You know. I'm not telling him to overlook what I'm doing now. Because me can't overlook it because I walk on up here now. And I know say I'm sorry about what I'm doing. And it never happen again.
Yo.
Oh.
What you say, my behave himself?
Yes, sir.
Yo, make sure you behave yourself. See him?
Numbers. You have him around here?
Yeah, man.
You have good people around here, you. Know what you have to hear.
Youth, people lose their 3 points less than that, yeah? So you have to know what you have to do. Yo, take a big man. Even if your uncle have a currency, you say sorry. That is a good start. However, never forget, there's always consequences to our actions. And the choices you make will dictate the life you lead.
Hold up your head.
Ones and ones. Go and drink.
Anything I do, anything.
Bishops, you know the thing going. Strong up your back.
Yeah, man.
Put something like that, yeah. Push it, that's it.
Back to the roots, babe. Let the shadows fall. I'm making no excuses. I know where I belong. Down in the jungle, down I crawl. I'm on top of the food chain, watching you